guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to be doing a fire inspired painting with a hairdryer. This is a Remington hairdryer that I love, and it's got a diffuser attachment on there which comes with it. I got it from Amazon. The link will be in the description, so please check that out if you're interested. And I do actually have my canvas sitting up on these awesome stands that are from Molly's Artistry. So great for larger canvases, great to hold up your canvas while you're painting. They even have little holes in them that if you wanted to, you could actually like thoroughly attach it to the canvas, especially if you're doing like a really big canvas. That can help. I don't need that for this. This is a 16 by 20 canvas. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use all Mixed Media Girl colors. And in case the canvas looks a little funny, I am reusing it. Some of you may know, but I used to teach a lot of paint nights. So I had a lot of like duplicate, just regular acrylic paintings. And I went ahead and just primed them so I could reuse the canvases. Okay, so that is black. These are all pre-mixed paints, Mixed Media Girl paints. And then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go dark to light essentially. You can do this in any order you want. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and move that black around a little bit first. Okay, and anytime I'm using the hairdryer, I'm using it on high air and no heat whatsoever. Okay, so this here is a primary red. And I actually have another red I almost forgot about, so that's going to go in there too. A cardinal red. It's a little bit deeper. I'll go ahead and put some over here too, because I really like it. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and go with Inferno Orange. And definitely make sure you use enough. I do have parchment paper underneath here, so it can catch all the runoff, and I can use that in other projects. So I would say make sure you just use enough paint. You can always use that runoff, okay? This is primary yellow, and in here also I'm going to use some Golden Sun, which this is a really golden yellow, which I love. Okay, just going to do a little more primary yellow here. And then I'm going to do a little bit of white. Okay, I think that should be plenty. So now here we go with the hairdryer. A little bit more. Awesome, I think that is gorgeous. Now, one of the things with the hairdryer I found is not to overwork it. You don't want to move it around too much. Your colors will start to muddy, especially when you have black with other colors. You can get browns and even greens. Black and yellow will make green. So if you move it around too much, you'll probably get colors that you don't want. So move it around just enough to get kind of the look you want. If after using the hairdryer you want to work on some more specific spots, you can go ahead and take a straw and just manually blow those spots out. I actually think this is quite perfect, and I'm going to go ahead and leave it. I'm just going to touch up my sides and corners here, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. All right, so I'm doing a close-up from my side because you can see a lot more detail over here. But check out all of these really cool reactions. You can see that really glittery. That's that golden sun, which definitely helped to create a lot of these really fun reactions. And it gave it that kind of shimmer in there. So you can see we just have the colors that we want to have. Here's that darker red, the cardinal. And none of the muddiness and the greens that I don't really want. Just some beautiful, beautiful reactions all throughout here. And I love this lacing with the white over here. So I know you can't really see the white too much, and it may have seemed pointless that I put it in there, but it actually creates these different reactions. Plus gives us a bit of a lighter yellow over here. And then there is a little white throughout here. So overall, I think this is just super awesome, and you can of course use any colors you want whatsoever. I wanted to do these colors because it's summer, it's very hot. So there you go. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this. Please check in the description for all the materials. They're all listed there, I promise. And check out Molly's artistry on YouTube. She has some amazing hairdryer pours, and then she makes these awesome stands, which I really, really highly recommend. They are great for acrylic pouring, great for resin, super easy to use, and they will hold up a large canvas, which is fantastic. And you can use them for smaller canvases as well. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.